Once you have registered for your NHS account, you can log in on your computer. Select My Account on the NHS website. Select Continue. Enter your email address and press Continue. Enter your NHS login password and press Continue. You will receive a text message with a 6-digit code on your mobile phone. Enter the code here. If you are using your personal device, you can tick this box to skip entering a security code every time you log in. Select Continue. You are now logged into your account. When you have finished using your NHS account, select Log Out at the top of the screen to log out. For more information, go to nhs.uk/NHS app.